Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, we are studying multiplication. This is your fourth chapter in your perfect composite mathematics. So children, today we are going to start exercise number 4.4 because we have completed yesterday exercise number 4.3. So children, I welcome you all in your maths video class. Once again, we are meeting once again and we are going to continue the same topic, multiplication. Okay children, so today date is 22 of July 2021 and this is your maths video class. Okay children, and our topic is chapter number 4, that is multiplication. Multiplication children. Now here we are going to start today exercise number 4.4 children. Exercise number 4.4 we are completing, and now here you can see in this continued multiplication. This is a new term of multiplication. It is simply multiplication, but we are going to continued multiplication, that is called continued multiplication. मतलब लगातार multiplication करते जाना. How we can do? We are going to learn today. Okay, so our topic is continued multiplication. It means we are going to continue with the multiplication. Okay, so here first I will give you one example. It is multiplication, but this is the concept of continued multiplication. It means we have to do 3 or 4 times multiplication continuously. So that is called continued multiplication. Now here children, I am going to write an example over here, that is example number 1, 89 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 3. So children, here you can see example number 1, this is example number 1, and here 89 multiplied by 6 and here 6 multiplied by 3. So this is called the continued multiplication. It means we are going to continue with this product. If 89 multiplied by 6, we will get some product, and after that with that product we will multiply with 3. So that is called continued multiplication. So children, we are going to do first, we are going to multiply first this 2 numbers, that is this is 2-digit number, and we are going to multiply with single digit number first because it is at the first place. That is why we are going to multiply this first. So first we will do 89 multiply by 6. So first, I know that you just know this, what is at the tens place and what is at ones place, the numbers. So it is at tens place and this 9 is at ones place. Now here 89 is there, so first we will multiply 6 to 9 because it is at the first ones place. So every time you should remember, whenever you are starting any multiplication, you will start from the ones place. Okay, तो 6 का table आप बोलेंगे, and first you are going to tell the table of 6, and this table you will tell 9 times. It means 6 9s are. So 6 9s are, first you will do start table for 1s are, and then 2s are, then 3s are, then 4s are, and then 6 are, 5s are, 8 are, and then 9s are. Okay children, so 6 9s are 54. So answer we are getting over here 54. 54 equal to, we are going to given a description, that is 54 equal to 5 tens and 4 ones. Okay. So children, here you can see 4 is 1, so that is why we will write over here 4, and now 5 is going to carry over with tens. Now here you can see 6 eights are. So 6 eights are, what is 6 eights are children? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, and 6 fives are 30, and 6 sixes are 36, and 6 sevens are 42, and then 6 eights are 48 children. 6 eights are 48. So now here you can see 48 plus 5 children. So what we will get? 49, 50, 51, 52 and 53. The answer we will get 53. So here 53 we are going to write. So answer is 534. 534 is the answer. Now we are going to multiply this one with, here you can see the product we are getting over here 534. So again you see this question, this is what? 89 multiplied by 6, we are getting this product. Now we are going to multiply with 3. With this product we are going to multiply by 3. So here we will do 534 multiplied by 3. So again we will do the same thing. We are going to repeat the table of 3 4 times. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are 12 children. So 12 again we will see, this is 1 tens and 2 ones children. Okay, so 2 ones we will be right over here, and now 1 is the carryover. Now 3 threes are 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. We are going to write 10 over here, 0, and then 1, because 10 equal to 1 tens and 0 ones. Okay, so we have already written 0 over here, 1 will be carry over here. So 5 threes are, or you can say 3 fives are 15. 15 and plus 1 is 16. This is the product of this quotient, that is 1602. 1602 is the product of this quotient. Now children, this is how we can write the answer. First, 89 multiplied by 6 into 3, we are getting 1602. So answer we will write 1602. It means 1602. We will write in words also. So children, 1000 we will write first. 1000 602 children. This is the answer. Okay, so write it down. I'll do next example. Okay, so continued multiplication. We are going to do next example because it is important to understand how we can do this. Okay, for this I am going to give you one more example for this. So here children, first I will write quotient. 332 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. It means first we are going to multiply with 332 multiply by 2. First this we will solve, then whatever the product we will get, we will multiply by 3. Okay, first we will do with us focus on these two numbers, that is 232 multiplied by 2. First we are going to do this. So children, here, because this is 3-digit number, so this is 100, tens and ones. So we are going to write over here 332 multiplied by 2 children. Similarly, as we have done in our earlier example, similarly we will do here also. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So answer, we are going to write 4 over here. Now again you can see, you will tell the table of 2 3 times. Okay. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 3, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Okay. So here 2 3s are 6 we are going to write. Now again the same table you are going to repeat. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So product, what we will get over here? 664. 664 is the answer of this question. Now with this product 664, now we are moving to the next number, that is 3. Here you can see we are going to multiply 664 by 3. Okay. So now, yes, now 3 4s are. Again we will tell the table of 3 4 times. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. 12 children. Now again you can see 12 equal to 1 tens and 2 ones children. Okay. So here again we will write 2 ones at the ones place, and now 1 10 will be carry over here with the tens place. So here children 3 6 are. It means we have to tell the table of 3 6 times. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15 and 3 6s are 18. 18 we are getting over here the answer. Now 1 is carry over again. So plus 1 equal to 19 children. Okay. 19 we are getting, again 2-digit number we are getting over here. Again we have to do the first 1 tens and 9 ones. Okay. So here we are going to write 9 over here and 1 will be carry over to the 100 place. Now here you can see that is 6 3s are, again 6 3s are. What we have to repeat the table again. Now 3 6 are 18, 18 and plus 1 is 19. We are going to write over here 19. So the answer we are getting over here 1992. So we will write the answer 332 multiply by 2 then 3, we will get 1992. Okay, this is the answer. Now we will write in words also. I am going to write over here. Okay, so here 1000 900 92. 92 children. Okay, write it down. Now I am going to give you one more example for that continued multiplication. After that we will start our exercises. Okay, so it is based few numbers, few questions are there in your exercise number 4.2. Before going to do that, we will do one more example. Okay. Now here children, I am going to write one more example, that is example number 3. $532 multiplied by 2. Okay. Then 4. Okay. First you are going to multiply with 532 by 2 and then whatever the product we will get, we will multiply with 4. Because children, here you can see 3-digit number, So we will write 100 tens and ones. Now 532 multiply by 2. So 2 twos are 4 children, 2 threes are 6 children. Now 2 fives are 10. So here what we will get? We are getting this answer 1064. 1064 is the answer after multiplication of 532 multiplied by 2. Okay. Now here the next number what you can see over here, this is 4. So now this product, with this product we are going to multiply 4. Okay. Now 1064 and this is 4. Okay. So here children, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12 and 4 fours are 16. Okay so children. So 16 we are getting, so 6 we will write over here, 1 will be carry over. Now 6 fours are, now 4 6 are. Okay. So 4 6 are, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20 and 4 6 are 24. Okay. 24 plus 1. Now 24 plus 1 we will get 25. So we are going to write over here 5. 2 will be carry over here. Now 4 zeros are, again you will get 0. But 2 number is written over here. It is carry over. So we will write the same thing over here. And now 4 ones are 4. As you all know children, whenever we are multiplying by 0 with any number, we will get 0. If any carryovers will be there, so we will place the carryovers. Then again you can see 4 ones are. So we have already learned that if we will multiply by 1 with any number, we will get the answer itself. It means the same number we will get as the answer. So here children we have completed. Now we are going to write the answer first. 532 multiply by 2 plus, okay, multiply by 4, we are getting 4256 answer. Okay. So we will write in words also 256. Okay. 56. So write it down. Complete your work children. And now we are going to start our exercise. I hope it is clear to you. This is continued multiplication. It is simple children. I have given 3 examples. So I think it is clear to you. Okay. So now we are moving to the exercise number 4.4 and you will find this exercise on page number 70 in your composite mathematics. Okay. So turn over your pages. Now we are on 70 number page and we are going to do exercise number 4.4. Okay children, it is based on continued multiplication as we have done these examples. So I hope this is clear to you. Now we are going to do the exercise. Okay. Okay children. Now first number, if you will see, there are 3 digits and we are going to multiply with 2. Okay. So 508. So again because this is 3 digits, so we will write 100 tens and ones, and here you can see 585, and it is multiplying by 2. Okay. Now children, 2 fives are, everybody knows this. This is not a new thing. It is so simple. 2 fives are 10. 10. So again you are getting 2 digit number. So what we will do children? First 1 tens and 0 ones. Okay. So 0 we will write over here. 1 will be carry over to the tens place. So 2 eights are. 2 8s are, so we are going to write 8 2s are 16 children. So here we are getting 16. Again you can see 16, 1 tens, and this is actually 16 tens. So 16 tens. So we are going to write over here 6 and plus 16 plus 1 we are getting 17. 17 we are going to write over here 7, and now 1 will be carry over to the hundreds. So here 2 का टेबल आप 5 टाइम्स बोलेंगे. So 2 5s are 10. 10 and plus is 1 is 11. So here what we are getting? Here we are getting 1170. 1170. Now children, according to the this question, there is no any continued multiplication, so we are going to do the simple thing, that is 1170. So 1170. 1170. So children, complete it. First number we have completed. Now we are moving to do second number of exercise 4.4. Okay children, so here we are going to do second number. Second number is 447. Second number is 447. Again 100 tens and ones. 447 multiply by 3 children. Now children, first we are going to tell the table. 3's table 7 times, so we will get over here 7 3s are 21 children. So here 21 equal to 2 tens and 1 ones. 2 tens and 1 ones. So here children, we are going to write 1 ones at the ones place, and 2 tens will be carry over to the tens place children. Now here children, you can see 3 4s are. Now 3 का टेबल हमें बोलना पड़ेगा 4 times. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and 3 4s are 12 children. So 12 and plus 2. 12 plus 2 we are getting 14. 14 we are going to do, this is 14 tens. It means 104 tens. ठीक है, 104 tens. So here we are going to write at tens place 4, and 100 will be carry over to the 100 place. Now again we will multiply 3 to 4, so we have to tell the table of 3 4 times. Again we will get 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So the answer is 1341 children. 1341 children. So now I am going to write over here 1341. 1341 children. Okay, so completed children. This is second number question we have completed. Completed children. Now after that we will do number 3. Okay, number 3 of exercise number 4.4 in your composite mathematics book, page number 17. So children, complete it. Take a screenshot. Now we are going to do number 3. Now children, number 3 we are going to do. Number 3 is, children, 593 593, and we are going to multiply with 4. Okay. Now children, here again 4's table we are going to tell 3 times. 3 times हमें बोलना है. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, and 4 3s are 12 children. 4 3s are 12. So here you can see 12, again 1 tens and 2 1s children. Okay. So here 2 1s we will write at the 2's column, 1's column, and now tens we are going to write over here. It is as the carryover. Okay. So 4 9s are. So we have to write it down. 4 9s are. Okay. So write down 4 9s are. First we have to tell the table, 4's table 9 times children. So 4 9s are 36 children, and here you can see 36 if we are getting, so 36 plus 1 we will get 37. So 37 tens, it means 307 tens. 307 tens. So here 7 tens we will write over here, and 300 will move to the 100 place. Now here 4 5s are. 4 5s are children 20. 20 plus 3 we are getting 23. So here we will write 23. Okay. So the answer is 2372. 2372 children. Now we are going to write this in words. Here I am going to write, that is 2372 children. Okay. So children, completed. This is number 3 we have done. Number 3 we have completed children. Now we are going to do number 4. So completed children, or take a screenshot. Now we are going to do 4 number. At 4 number place we will write again HTO, 100 tens and ones. Again we are getting 3 number. Okay. 213 children. 213, and we are going to multiply by 9 children. So 9 we are going to write over here, and here you can see 9 का table हमें 3 times बोलना है. So 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, and 9 3s are 27. So 27 is the answer. 27 if you will see, so 2 tens and 7 ones children. Now 7 ones we will write over here, and this 2 tens will be carry over to the 2 tens column. Okay. So 9 ones are 9, and plus 2 is 10 and 11. 11 we are getting. So 11, 1 we are going to write over here, and 100 will be carry over. 11 tens. This is 11 tens. So it is 1000, 1000 and 1 tens. Sorry, 100, sorry. 100 and 1 ten, sorry. 101 tens. 11 tens equal to. So here 100 and 1 tens. So here you can see 100 will be placed over here. It is as carryover. Now 9 2s are. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. Now 18 plus 1 equal to 19. So here we are going to write 19 children. 19. So the answer is 1917. 1917 children. So I am going to write in words over here. 1000, 1900, 917. 1917 children. So complete it. Completed children, and take a screenshot. So children, we have completed today exercise 4.1, question number 4. Till question number 4, 1 to 4 we have completed, and we have learned the continuate multiplication, the concept of continuate multiplication. Children, we will be continuing the same topic in our next video also, in next class also. So children, till then, bye-bye and take care and do practice.